Hello guys, this is Prince 111705. Just want to make a quick video because there's another development concerning the lawsuit between Mayweather and Pacquiao. Moments ago, I just read an article from BoxingScene.com which is entitled Team Mayweather's Statement on Pacquiao Settlement. According to the article, Judge Daniel H. Weinstein, the mediator in the Nevada action Emmanuel Pacquiao versus Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Mayweather Promotion, announces that the parties have settled the defamation lawsuit between themselves on confidential terms, and that Mayweather Jr. and promotions have issued the following public statement. This is what inside the statement. Floyd Mayweather Jr., Floyd Mayweather Sr., Roger Mayweather, and Mayweather Promotion wish to make it clear that they never intended to claim that Manny Pacquiao has used or is using any performance-enhancing drugs, nor are they aware of any evidence that Manny Pacquiao has used performance-enhancing drugs. Manny Pacquiao is a great champion, and no one should construe any of our prior remarks as claiming that Manny Pacquiao has used performance-enhancing drugs. That's the statement from Mayweather's camp. So what do you guys think about this statement, and is it enough, or do you think that Mayweather's camp should be more clearer, or should Pacquiao be deserve a more elaborate or a more clear apology coming from the, or explanation coming from the Mayweather's camp? That's all. This is Prince 111705. Peace.